Okie dokie, dear subscribers. Today we're doing brakes on, I think it's a 2000 Honda Acty van. Very nice van. So I want to show how to do the brakes if somebody will buy similar Honda. I mean Honda Acty, they're all the same. Van or mini truck. And this van is nice. All this bed. This seat's going all the way down. Let's show you. I'm waiting for idle control valve for this truck. I mean when that thing is going right here. And it's a nice, beautiful sleeping spot. And jack and all the tools located on this side. Another side got same compartment. So we're doing brakes today, brand new brakes. The brakes wasn't bad, but I decided to replace it. So it's simple. You take your wheel off, make sure it's all secured. It's a 12 millimeter. You loosen up the top, bottom you can take off. You don't have to take off the top. You just lift it up like that. Take it out, put it back, and then you need to kind of bring it this way, because you gotta put, okay, I gotta put in pause. So what do? You pull against the disc and make this part support come this way. It will make more space for your new sets of the pads. And that's it. Lift it up again. Install the front one. It's a little slots here, and on the top. So you put it in the slot. One, take rear one. They're not too bad, which is fine. We'll put them on. Brand new. I mean, how big is it different? No, maybe half. Maybe half, yeah. Let's see, where's the slot? And that's it. Just lift it right back. Very simple. So you don't have to go nowhere. 12 millimeter and screw it all back. Rear a little different. I'm gonna open the rear and I'll show you. I'm not gonna replace them if they're good, because the rear is usually in better shape. But okay, yeah, on this one I replaced a lot. I replaced both steering inner and outer ends, and then the whole rod, and then inside it's a bushings on the steering column. So I replaced the bushings. Brakes on this mini truck I've done a lot. Yeah, it's the timing belt, tensioner bearings, fuel pump with everything inside. Fuel pump, it's a unit going inside the tank. So it's a fuel pump, fuel filter inside, a little vacuum. So it's all been replaced. But this mini truck, a minivan, is sold. I mean, we haven't finished the deal yet because I'm still working on it. But I think it's sold, yeah. Okay, we're gonna do rear in a minute. So to do the rear one, same thing, secure it, take wheel off, put it on the parking brake, then mallet, tap that thing, the cap off, take the pin off, and then I use impact. That's it. And the impact size, it's a 32 millimeters, but I am using 1 1/4. It's the biggest tool on these mini trucks. And then I'm gonna open it. I'll show you. So it's a couple things here. The big washer, so if you tap from each side, the washer will get loose. I got special tool here. Yep. So washer, and then it's a V-shape washer. So you gotta tap it this way kind of until it gets a little loose. Then it's got cut in the middle of that V shape. It's right there. So you just stick your, oops, and it's coming. And it's V shaped like that. It's got that cut. So you can use screwdriver. Then, if it's not coming out, just in both sides put screwdrivers, kind of slightly move it and tap once in a while, and then it will come off. I can't show you guys because I need to buy a stand. And brakes is not bad. Yeah, I just hate to exchange it right now. It's original. I'll just keep it. Here's the new ones. It's really not probably, it's still got probably 75%, maybe more. So I'm gonna keep it. So it's very simple and you can do it yourself. Easy, easy wheezy, easy wheezy. Same with that Honda. It's all exactly the same. So they're all getting brand new tires. Brand spanking new tires. Brand new. Yeah. In a couple of weeks we're gonna a new arrival. We're gonna get Mitsubishi dump truck, 6th generation. Two of them. And then Suzuki Carry. First time I'm gonna get Suzuki Carry dump truck. So 2 Mitsubishi 6th generation dump trucks. And Daihatsu Hijet, newer model, yeah, newer model. Here's my Mexican hat. Here's a Russian American Mexican. Okay. I don't know what else to show you guys. So next time, whenever, I should have made a video of how I did the timing belt on this one. I don't did it. I was busy and I forgot. Okay, have a blessed night, have a blessed life. I'll see you probably in a few weeks.